Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are so happy you are here today. My name is Leo.
And my name is Anna. On this channel, we help you practice real everyday English.
That's right. So let me start with a question. Anna, if I ask you to name one thing you do every single day, what would it be?
That's easy. I drink coffee every morning. Always, without fail.
A coffee lover, I see. That's a great example because today we're talking about habits, the small things we do again and again, every day or every week.
Exactly. Habits are part of our routine, and they tell a lot about who we are. Some are good, some are, well, not so good.
I'm sure you'll tell me all about your bad ones later, but let's start simple. Anna, what is a habit? Really?
A habit is something you do again and again, almost without thinking. It's automatic, like brushing your teeth or checking your phone.
Ah, yes, checking the phone. My worst habit in the morning. The moment I open my eyes, I grab my phone.
Me too. But my doctor says that's a bad habit. The light from the screen isn't good for your eyes first thing in the morning.
He's probably right. Maybe I should start my day with something healthier, like stretching.
That's a good idea. I always drink a glass of water when I wake up. It's my favorite morning habit.
That's a healthy one. Meanwhile, my habit is to hit snooze on my alarm 5 times before getting up.
That's not a habit, Leo. That's a battle with your alarm clock.
Let's talk about morning habits first. What's the first thing you do after waking up, Anna?
I always make my bed. It makes my room look tidy, and I feel good after.
Nice. I sometimes make my bed. Actually, if someone's visiting, I make it. If not, I don't.
That's an honest answer. What about breakfast?
I usually eat cereal and fruit, but I always drink coffee. I can't start my day without it.
How many cups do you drink?
Let's say 2. Okay, fine. Sometimes 3.
3 cups. That's not coffee, that's survival.
Maybe. What about you?
I usually eat toast with butter and tea. No coffee for me. Tea is my habit.
Now, what about your work habits?
At work, I always make a list of things to do. It helps me feel organized.
That's smart. I make lists too, but then I lose them.
Then you need a new habit, maybe using an app.
Yes, maybe. I also have a bad habit. I'm often late for meetings.
Oh no! Why?
I always think I have time, then suddenly I don't.
Classic problem. Try arriving 5 minutes early next time.
That sounds impossible, but okay, I'll try. Now, let's talk about evening habits. What do you do after work?
After work, I usually feel tired, so I sit on my sofa and rest for 10 minutes.
Just 10 minutes? I sit on my sofa and somehow stay there for 2 hours.
That's not rest, that's your evening activity. After my rest, I often go to the gym.
Wow, impressive. I never go to the gym.
Never? Then how do you exercise?
I walk to the fridge and sometimes to the bus stop.
That's not exercise, Leo.
I know. I need to fix that habit. What do you do after the gym?
I cook dinner. Cooking at home is my evening habit.
That's great. I usually order food.
Every day?
Not every day, maybe 3 times a week.
That's an expensive habit, my friend.
You're right, but I'm too tired to cook sometimes.
You could cook extra one day and eat it the next. That's what I do.
Good idea. 2 meals, 1 effort. Now, what about before bed? Do you have a bedtime habit?
Yes, I always brush my teeth and read a book for 15 minutes. It helps me sleep better.
That's a good one. I try to read too, but I usually end up checking my phone.
That's a terrible habit, Leo. The light from the screen keeps you awake.
I know. Okay, let's both promise no phones in bed tonight.
Deal. For one night.
Fair enough. So, what about weekends?
On Saturdays, I always sleep late, sometimes until 10 or 11 a.m.
Lucky you. I wake up at 8 a.m., even on weekends.
That's too early. After I wake up, I meet friends for lunch or play football in the park.
That's a nice habit. My weekend habit is cleaning. I always clean my apartment on Sunday.
Every Sunday? You're so organized.
Thank you. I like starting the week with a clean space.
Now, let's talk about bad habits. Be honest, Leo. What's your worst one?
I bite my nails sometimes, especially during scary movies.
Oh no, that's a common bad habit. I often lose my sunglasses. Maybe 5 pairs this year.
5 pairs? That's an expensive habit.
I know. What about you?
My expensive bad habit is buying coffee every day. I have a machine at home, but I still go to the cafe.
That's true love for coffee. We all have habits that are hard to change.
So, how can we build new, good habits?
Start small. If you want to read more, read just 1 page a night. If you want to run, start with a short walk.
That's great advice. And be consistent. Do it every day.
Exactly. Small steps create big change.
So, Anna, what new habit do you want to start?
I want to eat fruit every day. Maybe a banana with my tea.
Good choice. I want to stop using my phone in bed.
Perfect. Let's check next week if we succeeded.
Now it's your turn, listeners. Here's our question of the day. What is one good habit you have and one bad habit you want to change?
Write your answer in the comments below. It's a great way to practice English.
For example, my good habit is I always study English for 10 minutes every day. My bad habit is I sometimes go to bed too late.
Any answer is good. We'll read your comments and cheer for you.
That's right. Learning English is all about small habits, listening, speaking, and practicing a little every day.
And you're already doing it by joining us here.
Exactly. Thank you so much for listening, my friends. Keep learning, keep practicing, and build good habits one small step at a time.
Have a great day, everyone. And don't forget, no phones in bed tonight.
See you next time on Daily English Listening Stories. Bye for now.